Hi, Farmer Dean here, and we had a heavy frost last night, so I had to go out and pick all my jalapeno peppers, and I ended up with about a peck. So I'm going to give you a simple and easy way to can your jalapeno peppers. I cut up a whole board full of jalapenos, all ready to go in the jars. So I'm packing the jalapenos in here. You want to push them down, get lots in there, so when you give them away, they're going to look pretty for Christmas, right? So I've got 2 cups of vinegar and 2 cups of water in there, and that's all you need to pickle these. Fill her up. Make sure you got a 1/4 inch of headspace left there. So there's 2 important things when you're canning that you need to do. One is make sure you clean off that top really good, and the other is to get the air bubbles out of the side. So one of the things that I do, and it's because my mother always did it, is I like to soften up that ring a little bit, so I throw it in just some hot water. I just think that it seals better. So then all you have to do is put the ring on, tighten it down, hand tight, and then you're ready to put it in the bath. Look at how pretty that looks. Isn't that nice? I'm gonna put these all in the water bath now. You'll notice I got about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of water over the top. You need at least 1 inch. Once it starts boiling, time it for 15 minutes and you'll be done. I got them out of the water bath. They've all sealed. The color is beautiful, and OMGs, I'm gonna have jalapenos all winter long.